Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Just wanted to show you one of my favorite 2021 models that we have now. So this is a Kia Sorento, and it looks a lot different than probably every other Kia Sorento you've seen. This is the full redesign they did for 2021 model year, new from the ground up, and as you can see, they did a great job. I'll show you around a little bit. Starting at the front, you have these brand new LED running lights, and I just love how they actually managed to be distinctive in the days of most variations of this and this being taken up. Coming around to the side, you got some gorgeous rims wrapped in Continental tires. And if you take a peek inside, you'll see what they've done with the interior, which is fantastic. You have beautiful satin aluminum trim around all the air vents. You'll also have the leather-wrapped steering wheel in this one, the S model. You still keep all the same great stuff that you were able to get in the 2020s and the previous model years, but you get some new stuff as well. This will have more advanced self-driving features. You'll have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so not only do you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you don't have to plug your phone in for it. And depending on the trim you can get, stuff even like adaptive cruise control and a blind spot view monitor in the SX Prestige X line, where it actually shows you a video of your blind spot. So really exciting stuff, lots of different options for these. Call or stop by today and come check one out.